Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're going to be answering a question that I recently received from a customer. What's the difference between our 800FL and our 800 Pro? So as you can see, both of these machines, they look pretty similar. Both have the same workspace inside. They're 33 inches wide, 30 inches deep, and 28 inches high. The features and the outsides pretty much look similar as well. So you have the wiper on top. You have the precision air regulator for easy air adjustment. So on the far side, we have the automatic overflow valve over here. And then we have inside two lights. There are 2-foot LED light strips, as you can see, pretty bright inside of the cabinet. But the main difference here, you can see this one is high density polyethylene. Makes for a little bit lower of a price point, while your 800 Pro over here is stainless steel. So it's a little bit higher of a price point. If you guys have any questions about this, or you guys need comparisons or contrasts between our machines, don't hesitate to give the sales team a call. Our number here is 828-202-5563.